Good morning everybody. Today in our class we will discuss about map, map reading, directions, scale, symbol, colors from the chapter The Imaginary Line. Okay, so let's start. Map. What is that? Map is a visual representations of Earth on a flat surface. It can be considered as one of the oldest form of communications. The art of making and drawing maps is called cartography, and the oldest known map is a Babylon clay tablet. Map can be provide a lot of informations about physical features, political divisions, weather, climate, agriculture, industry, minerals, trade route, etc. And a book of map is called atlas. Everybody, you have atlas, right? So a book of map is called atlas. Now map reading. How we will do the map reading? We should know how to read a map in order to make full use of it, right? So there is a certain kind of language associated with maps. There are the different symbols, colors, sign to show the different things in a map. First of all, we will discuss about directions. Directions, the first thing we should understand when we look at the map is the direction. But it is really easy to understand. In every map, the north directions will be shown with the help of an arrow which is pointing the upward. That means that is show the north directions. And the bottom of that arrow is the south. And the right side of the map is east and the left side of the map is west. When you know these four main directions, you can easily locate other sub-directions like northeast lies between the north and the east, northwest lies between the north and west, southwest lies between the south and the west, and southeast lies between the south and the east. So this is the main directions you have to understood. Okay. Now we will discuss about scale. It is not possible to show the actual size of the things that are shown in the map. So that is why scale are used. The scale is the ratio between the 2 points on the ground and their corresponding distance on a map. Okay, so scale is be represented in the three way. There is a representative fractions, written statement and graphical scale. Okay. Next one we discuss about the symbol. Symbol have been developed to represent some features on the map. They can be graphical or pictorials. There are the symbols which show the mountain, rivers, lakes, dams, bridges, temples, charts, railway track. Each and everything have the different symbol as you see the picture. Okay. Next one is colors. Different colors are used in map. Many colors used on a map have the relationship to the object or the features on the ground. As example, I can say water bodies. Water bodies like oceans, sea, river, etc. are shown in blue in color. Plain or lowland are shown in light green or yellow color. Okay. Dark